Today in this video, I will talk about the top number one, two indicators that are on my top number one list, and you will be simply amazed because these are the most accurate indicators for trading view trading. Okay, so right now I'm going to review the first indicator, that is the bank order indicator. And let me tell you that if you want to get the access of this indicator, you can visit our website fxmentorus.com. You can use the contact us option. The Telegram link, email, and the WhatsApp support number is provided in the description of this video below. And you can also explore more about the bank indicator on our website indicator section. Okay, guys, so why this indicator is very special? Right now, you can see on the screen, this is the Euro AUD 15-minute chart, and you can see it exactly went down from the bank selling level, and it was going with the intention to target the bank buying level. Okay, now I can show you many examples like this. Okay, right now you can see this is the Great Britain Pound JPY chart. It is exactly rejected from the top level, and you can see it hit the bank buying level. And we also have a strong dotted green line here, and you can see the price is reverse. If we go to the gold trading, then you can see it is already rejected from the bank selling level, and then it closes below the dotted green line. And when any candle closes below the dotted green line, it represents the weakness of the market, and the market can go further into the downward direction. And in that case, you can make a profit in between the way between the bank selling order and the bank buying order. Okay, so this is the fantastic indicator. Okay, just look at Euro USD, same thing. It was giving a close below the dotted green line, and this indicator will keep on finding the levels and dotted lines for you. Okay, I can show you many examples. Okay, now you can see why Euro USD CAD is going down, because it is following this level. Okay, so this is level to level trading mostly. Okay, and this is my best seller indicator, and you can see this is Great Britain Pound AUD. You can see exactly it is going up from that level, and firstly it was rejected from the top level. Okay, so this is our first indicator that is listed on our website fxmentorus.com. If you go to the indicator section, then this is the bank buying and selling order. Now I'm going to show you our other indicator, that is called the big players. Okay, the big player target blueprint indicator, and this is also targeting the level, and we will be using the 5-minute chart, and I will show you that how you can use this. First of all, we will uncheck the labels, and the second thing, we will be using it on the depth 2 at least. Okay, now you can see on the depth 2 the levels will be far. Okay, now you can see these levels are based on the three levels. Okay, green, red, green, and blue. Okay, now let me show you. For example, if we go to any pair, okay, just look at gold. Okay, so first of all, basically the red level is for the selling, and the lower blue level is for the buying. Okay, but we will not immediately take our trades at the red or blue level. We will wait for the moving average confirmation. You can see as it is the it has the moving average function. Now you can see the market was rejected from the red level, because we will not take our trade from here. And you can see here the two sorry here the two moving averages cross over with each other. Now it's the time to target the green level in the middle, and then you can see it has received the reaction from here. It went slightly up, and again it went down, and then when it comes and retested this green block below, then you can see it targeted the blue level. So this is it draws the levels based on the price action, and this is the highly accurate indicator. Okay, right now you can see this is the ongoing trend. Okay, it's in the middle, it's slow. Just look at USD CHF. So for example, if there will be a bearish crossover, then we will first targeting the green level, and then on the retest we will be targeting the blue level. But if the price again wants to go up, we will take a buy position. Okay, so this is how you can use this indicator. Okay, so you can see here, even on this one USD CAD, you can see the bearish crossover, and then you can see the price is targeting towards the green level. So this is the indicator that is listed on our website, big players indicator. Okay, the first one, you can find all details about the big players indicator on our website. The website link is given in the description of this video below. And this was the bank selling order, and these are our top two indicators that you can use for 2025 trading. So guys, if you want to book the lifetime version of these indicators, then contact on Telegram, email, and our WhatsApp support number is provided in the description of this video below. Thank you very much for watching this video.